Did you have aspirations of becoming an engineer at a pretty early age?
Yeah, so with engineering, it was kind of an interesting path for me. A lot of people, of course, get into InfoSec kind of as a swerve from their original career. And so, yeah, I went to Purdue University, did an electrical engineering degree. And what led me there was growing up, I was always very much interested in technology. I was building my own computers, trying to install Linux when I was like in high school and, fight my way through that. And that was much more difficult at the time, obviously. And so I was always interested in technology and those sorts of things. And at the time, as you said, cybersecurity didn't really exist. And so I didn't know that was an option. That being said, on my computer, I was always playing with those, I would say, gray area type programs where, you'd be in the chat rooms and like you have this program that can like kick people out or do crazy stuff like that. So I definitely had like the inkling that that would have been a career choice that I could make, but I had no idea that cybersecurity could be a real job at the time. So I always had a passion for electronics and stuff like that. And I still do. I like that stuff a lot. But I had been going through the engineering degree, and about halfway through that, I started listening to a bunch of podcasts on security and information security type stuff. And so that's kind of what sparked my interest. And I would say probably junior year of college on, I had listened to enough podcasts that I'm like, I want to take an engineering degree and then turn that into a sort of security job ultimately, which is what led me into my master's doing computer engineering, focusing in cybersecurity. And then ultimately here I am.